Okay, I'm gonna try it again. There's a car here again. And the lights are on. It's just... if I get arrested, I'm going to kill you. Hey, is the landlord here?
Nope, you can come in though.
Can we come in? Okay.
Yeah, for sure.
Alright. Thank you. You guys are just painting?
Yeah, put the new floor in too.
Yeah, we still got a lot of work to do in here.
Cool. I'm looking for my friend. Well, I'm videoing for her. She's coming from Ottawa. Or London.
There's a back room.
There's another bedroom that comes off the bathroom.
Oh, cool.
In here.
Oh, that's kind of weird. It's through the bathroom.
Yeah.
It's a big kitchen. What's that? Holy shit, it's a huge closet.
What? Can't hear you, Bubs.
Thanks, guys.
No worries.
Just gonna look in here then. Neat. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.
Yeah.
Well, other than the fact that they were both totally hot, I like this one way better. Just saying. My opinion. Goodbye.